You'll get a detachable panel with a screen. 5 parallel cables. Terminals 05, 06, and 08 with resistors and capacitors already wired. A pre-installed voltage transmitter and switching power supply. Mount the switching power supply and voltage transmitter onto the stainless steel DIN rail in sequence. Open the 1-in 3-out quick connector and insert the neutral wire into terminal 02. Embed into the cable management channel. Insert the number 2s for 05, 06, 8, and the terminal markers strips one by one in the corresponding positions. Finished product display. Install terminals R and S on the upper side of QF2 respectively. Loosen the screw. Tighten the screw. Loosen the screw at the lower end of QF3. Insert terminal R21, then tighten the screw. Arrange the cables. Finished product display.